Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely home for sale that is back on the market. It is located at Mayfield in Southfield St Elizabeth. St Elizabeth is known as the breadbasket parish of Jamaica, and so this three-story house with basement and gazebo is ideally placed. On the last floor, this stunning home boasts a self-contained one-bedroom with living, dining room, and a bathroom. As you ascend, you will notice the sumptuous living and dining area and the spacious kitchen. In addition, there are two bedrooms, including a master bedroom and bathroom with walk-in closet. You will enjoy the ample parking, both at the front and the rear of this spectacular home. The property has an abundance of fruit trees such as mango, breadfruit, and even more vegetation. There is provision for security cameras and other amenities. Lover's Leap is just a stone's throw away, as well as the town of Junction. This is truly a well-appointed home, which families will enjoy for years to come. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 280,000 or Jamaican $43 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.